Hi, my name's Bingham. I'm the CEO of Priority Robotics. We're Australia's leading autonomous mobile robot provider. We installed the first ever e-commerce solution for Australia Post back 4 years ago. We did the largest AMR integration for Munro Footwear Group with over 200 autonomous mobile robots. We've worked for blue chip companies such as Coca-Cola and Amatil for their spare parts. And really what we are is a solution provider that we're very good with data, simulation, animation, and then really good at installing autonomous mobile robots in Australia. Our ideal customer are very much tend to be growing customers because our solutions are very flexible and scalable, fast to implement. So we often find we do one installation for a customer and then that solution grows and grows. Fast fashion would be a good example. Munro Footwear Group with shoes, Coca-Cola with small spare parts. But equally, any customer that really wants goods to person picking. We're really loving CeMAT. I think it's a really well organised event. Everything was set up on time, very easy to book, great throughput, great traffic, and well organised. And great to meet both delegates and also other exhibitors. So I think the collaboration that the CeMAT 2023 is providing me would definitely be at CeMAT 2024. Thank you very much to CeMAT.